Alright, so there it is. It's gonna be an original brand new unboxing. This one is never opened, and we'll see what's included and what's not included. And later we're gonna do some testing. I was researching small wet and dry vacuum cleaners for shop dust management and to be able to clean some spills. I have a little handheld, but I thought it was like not sufficient. So I did a research for something that is very small and compact that can pack anywhere. And I came across this Rigid. I know Rigid is a good brand for vacuum cleaners, and I found some online recommendations from auto detailing guys about this particular one. So I looked at this 3-gallon, 5 horsepower. However, I was not really happy with this price, $169 in Home Depot. So I figured like potentially I can do better than that. But to do some research, I just wanted to compare what the specs are. So basically wet and dry, um, pretty small, so that's all great. But I learned that these numbers, such as peak horsepower, really don't mean anything. And so I end up looking what is with a similar kind of those fake numbers, but I had to do something to compare, and I came across this DeWalt in Rona, quite a bit different price. So I was pretty satisfied with that, and then I noticed that actually comes with this two-piece wand that helps if you have mop the floor or something like that. It will help you with that. And they have quite extensive specs here on the website. So some numbers that really make a little bit more sense. Obviously, horsepowers and gallons can be kind of safely ignored. They're just for reference. But 10 amps, so that's probably a decent number. Seal pressure 50 inches water column, and I believe it was 90 CFM airflow. So that's something to be able to compare to. And I thought this is like a really good deal comparing to the other one. But I realized like, okay, this Rigid is like 3 gallons, 5 horsepower, whereas this DeWalt is like basically 4 gallons. So and it comes with this van. So then, okay, what does Rigid has to offer with similar features? So I looked like for similar numbers, and turns out it's this one, 4.5 gallon, 5 horsepower with those vans and whatnot. But it's now $200. So comparable $200 versus $119. I think definitely leaning towards this DeWalt. But then I thought like, okay, can I do better? Is there something that is comparable, give or take, but with a better value? And finally I came across this one in Walmart, 4-gallon poly toolbox vac, $75. It's not on sale, it's just like a regular price. That's how much it costs in Walmart. It's pretty cute. It comes with all the pieces. No, they don't show them here. but in here it says like comes with a 1.25 inch 6-foot hose, 2 extension, 1 floor nozzle, crevice nozzle, gulper nozzle, cartridge filter, and foam filter. Now, rigid does not come with a foam filter, and the foam filter is like $30 for rigid. So the foam filter for rigid is half of the price of this little Stanley. So Stanley little toolbox is basically value of 2 rigid foam filters. So let's compare what are, there is not much information on this on Walmart website or anywhere for that matter. So I was able to Google something and find from some Latin website, downloaded a catalog for rigid, and it's this model. It's 4-gallon, 4 horsepower, 50 inches of steel pressure, and 90 CFM, same as DeWalt, but basically quite a bit significantly cheaper than even DeWalt, and comparable in that sense to performance of the rigid and DeWalt, but much cheaper. So I didn't have any other means to compare the performance other than CFM and inches of pressure of water. So I couldn't find much of that information for rigid. The only thing they did say is that air volume, which arguably is actually airflow, in CFM is 107 CFM, but I did not see any values for the pressure. So what is that measured at? I don't know. It could be on a lower pressure because the wider hose. I don't know. At any rate, I was able to compare the values for the motor amps, and indeed, actually, the little in Stanley is only 8 amps. The DeWalt is actually I believe 10 amps, and the rigid I think it's somewhere in between. It's potentially 9 amps, somewhere, yeah, 8 to 9 point. So basically 8. I mean, they call it battery amperage, that's like amperage. So basically between 8 and 10. So it kind of fits there in the middle. Long story short, I decided to buy this Stanley. So I picked it up for $75. Now it says on Walmart that it's sold out, but what that means, it was sold out in online shop, but it was available in the store, and they keep them in automotive slash RV section, and they had a couple of models and had some other nice finds there. So I was quite excited to pick that one up, and we will have unboxing. So we'll see what's included, what's missing, and at the end, hopefully, we're gonna be able to test it and see how it performs. that's it. Nothing else. Yeah, that's good.